Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I wanted to show you this Bennington, 2025 Bennington. It is a S21. It's a beautiful metallic sorrel color. It's a beautiful color on the water. It looks really good. Nice integrated lights here in the front. Nice lines all the way down the side here. Let me take you around the back. This boat is equipped with the SPS package. And with a 150 horsepower Yamaha. It's a great running boat. It's got plenty of power for you and the family to get out on the water and do tubing or skiing or anything like that. Let me show you what's inside. Right up here in the front of the bow, I like the long seats that it has on both sides here. It has the 80% cutout with your cup holders there. It gives you plenty of room to store your phones or anything like that, and has a place to put your drink. Tons of seating up here in the front, and you have storage underneath the whole bench. Come back here, nice L-shaped couching here. It really just gives you a ton of room for everybody to be on the boat. This boat holds 11 people, so you got plenty of room. The captain's chair here with a Garmin GPS with a Rockford Fosgate stereo system. It's a great boat for the family. It's got a 10-foot bimini top, which is standard for Bennington. Gives you tons of coverage from the sun, and just an awesome boat and at a great price point. So just give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.